selfish.
Yeah.
If the food wasn't promised
Morning.
on the invitation,
I know
you
it's
wouldn't expect
Jeep
it.
time, but
Not all are expecting
not today.
it. Yeah, you have to pack
I
your
keep
own
with
bags.
animals today.
I guess it will
You see,
go an extra.
that's a
The extra I could do if you got fish sandwiches. We could
that's a
sort of
that's
go
a
around
bee
or something.
who's
Simon Robertson's in
exhausted,
five. Simon, you're
and I've
getting
just
married later
grabbed a
this year.
spoon.
Have you got that 2 tiers of guests issue going on?
Yes, unfortunately we do. I mean,
Put some water in it.
Which is Meghan Markle and Harry, and I was my partner. So what we've done is we're hoping that some people are going to come to the church that we're part of, and other friends who unfortunately haven't made the cut for the whole day. And outside the church, we're going to have a burger van for them. So
He's drinking, is he?
Thanks for coming. Here's a little bit of a snack. It's the middle of the day. People are not quite often hungry, so we just thought that would be a nice, small gesture, basically.
Yeah, and actually, funny enough, that's not the same as having an after-show party thing, is it? With your burger van idea is for people who just want to come to the church service, which is lovely of them.
Yes, yeah, and just to say, you know,
It's a pretty big
in the middle of the day,
bee,
you
I
get
think.
married. Here's a little
Bumblebee
a burger
size.
and a can of pop, and some of them are getting evening invites as well to the element later on in the day.
Given that this wedding is being beamed around the world, would there be problems if outside Windsor Castle they had a line
The size of it beside my finger.
That's all I'm thinking about.
Well, let's face it, they could probably put a marquee up and put the cooking facilities within it. Maybe your standard burger van isn't where to go, but I just think a small gesture. People I don't think want.
She'll drink for a while and then probably fly off.
Sit-down meal, but the people who are lucky enough to go, I think just a nice
Anyhow,
small gesture of here's something to eat and drink and social.
I've got this on the side because I put the mirrors on. I put the aerial holder on, which goes diagonally there. We found out today with Roy. Roy told me what it was because he's got an amazing book about it. And now I'm fitting different bits and pieces from the dashboard as the same time as I redo this, the bonnet. She's still there, hungry.
Something nice,
Anyway,
because people.
Friday. So have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon, mates.
And
Bye.
I feel that we're very simple people. I work in construction.